How to make money on YouTube. Around the globe, 5 billion YouTube videos are watched every day. YouTube is as popular as ever, with users spending an average 40 minutes per YouTube session. We suppose the first question should be, can you still make money on YouTube? We believe there is still an opportunity to make very good money. However, the profitability of your channel is tied to both your views and your niche. YouTubers in highly viewed niches like these fall quickly into the revenue with millions of views. There are also YouTube revenue calculators to help you understand how much you can make based on video views and engagement. But there are several ways of making money with your YouTube channel, and in this video we'll show you a few. So let's get going. Become a YouTube partner and earn from the ads. As a YouTube partner, you can make money in different ways. You can make money from the ads before your videos, channel membership and Google AdSense banner ads. However, there are some ground rules to observe before becoming a certified YouTube partner. You must have a minimum of 4,000 video watched hours on your channel in the last 12 months and have 1,000 subscribers. After successfully achieving the 4,000 hours threshold and winning your place as a YouTube partner, you can start earning from these ads. With the YouTube Premium removing ads from viewers for a monthly fee, YouTube still helps support creators by paying based upon the percentage of total watch time. In other videos, we'll be showing you how to grow your channel and to achieve this goal. Use affiliate links on YouTube. Promoting affiliate links can be a massive earning potential for channels that offer tutorials and insights into products. If you recommend a product and the user visits via your link to buy that product, you'll start earning commissions. You can place these ads in the first few lines of your description and speak about your link in the video content. Posting affiliate links on YouTube is the same as promoting affiliate links on your blog or website, so be careful that you aren't bombarding your viewers with links all the time. Remember, you need to entertain and inform viewers for them to keep coming back and growing your channel. Build trust with your audience, help them solve problems and provide tutorials, or at least give them some fun. There are plenty of affiliate programs for you to join. Here at Business with Joe, we like ClickBank, but there's also ShareASale and Awin. Make money on YouTube with funding from your fans. If you're building a following of loyal fans, encouraging them to crowdfund your channel can help you fund your new videos and make some profit. A platform like Patreon introduces a process of getting paid for your content. For as little as $1, your fans can make subscription to their favourite channel. And the bonus is they get exclusive videos from their favourite content creators. As long as your content is interesting, entertaining and provide value, you could try this funding option. Get good with YouTube SEO. For video creators who have not built a significant following yet, you have to step up your game and maximise your YouTube SEO. To do that, perform keyword research like you usually would. However, think a little differently based on what people are searching for on YouTube. Next, make sure you are using high-value keywords in your video title, description and video tags. Once launched, you can check your YouTube traffic source and YouTube search. These are reports that get an idea of what people are searching for when they find your videos. In general, Google provides video results for keywords on how-to, reviews, tutorials and funny video terms. There are also 5 key SEO ranking factors to consider: the number of comments, subscribers after watching a video, thumbs up or thumbs down ratio, video length and click-through rate on YouTube search results. Use the YouTube marketing funnel. Optimize your YouTube channel for sales. Choose your niche and become a YouTube partner and start planning your marketing funnel. YouTube is one way to spread your message, but you can also make money by using YouTube with your blog. That way you'll be collecting more email addresses and eventually selling products to your fan base. For example, if you write a blog post about an affiliate product you're recommending, repurpose that content and create a YouTube video embedded in that post. Then send users from YouTube back to your blog and to the affiliate link to earn commissions and build your blog readers. Become an Amazon influencer. The influencer program allows you to maximize your YouTube presence to make money via Amazon recommendations. After joining the program, you can review and recommend products and direct your viewers to Amazon to purchase via affiliate links. When your viewers click through and make Amazon purchases, you can get a cut of the commissions, typically around 8 to 10%. Explore extra gains from YouTube subscribers. YouTube allows users to pay $9.99 for ad-free YouTube viewing. Even without ads, content creators can still generate money and make a 55% revenue based on view time. Your watch time matters, so check your YouTube analytics to view your statistics like watch time and video engagement. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.